Rajasthani cuisine is inspired by local basic things. Tourists are now experiencing and asking for local cuisine.
I love cooking. We make very simple cuisine that guests prefer.
Around 4 basic raw materials, Rajasthani cuisine revolved around it. The first is millet, second is dairy, then lentils, chickpeas, moong, and fourth is spices.
Sangri को तोड़ के उसे boil करना होता है. Even care is like that. Then we have to make curry for that. Cumin seeds, dry red chilies, some chopped onions and some green chilies for flavor. Take yogurt in a bowl and add some cumin powder and red chilies, coriander powder and some salt. Make a paste and cook until that oil separates. Add sangri and care in it. Sangri is good with बाजरे की रोटी और गेहूं की रोटी. गट्टे की सब्जी के लिए बेसन में हमको ऐड करना है crushed coriander seeds, salt, turmeric, red chili powder, chopped garlic. मोइन डालते हैं like घी और oil, and then we have to make dough. We have to roll it, boil it in water, and then you have to make curry for gatte ki sabzi. We have to cook little bit brown here. We need little bit brown, not that much. Here we add some turmeric. Yeah. These are the chickpea dumplings that what we made before. When they came to Ikaki, they prefer only home-cooked food because it's very simple, not heavy. They like it because they can't explore these in restaurant, hotel. They feel like they're home because they can come in my kitchen, they can cook with me. I think me and my husband, we give them like home experience. We sit with them, we can talk with them during breakfast, lunch or dinner, so they are very comfortable with us.